How to create a navigation menu on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own navigation menu on Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, this right here at the top that we have right here, this is called a navigation bar. Right over here you can navigate to anything or something in particular of a website, such as a catalog or a contact page, and it depends on you what you add over here. So that's why we're going to go ahead and add or customize our navigation bar. So let's get started. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto our Shopify store, and what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on settings, and over here, and what we need to do is we need to go over here into our online store. And over here, we will have the option of navigation right here. Underneath pages, blog posts, themes, we have navigation. We want to click on navigation, and over here we can go ahead and add stuff to our menus, right? So over here, as you can see, we have the main menu, we have home, catalog, and contact. Those are the things that we have added. We can add more menus over here. So as you can see, we have titles, right? Menu items. We click on add menu, and over here we click on sidebar menu, and this menu doesn't have any items, and we can add more items to a specific menu, and we can add that menu to our navigation bar. So currently we have our main menu right here, and we want to click on main menu, and over here we have home, we have catalog, and we have contact, right? And if you want to edit some of those, you just simply click on edit, and you change the name and you add in the link to it. So let's go ahead and do it. It depends on us. Let me open up right here. So we have a bunch of different products, right? We have, as you can see, men's clothing, we have jewelry, we even have women's clothing as well. And on our top, we already have shop for men, shop women, but we also want to add it right here, right? We want to add like a collection page or quickly shop for men, shop women. So let's go ahead and add these two options right here on the navigation bar. So for that, we just simply come over here, we click on edit or add menu, and we add or type the name for men, right? And then underneath links, we just select the thing that we want to select. We could go with collection or products or pages. So let's go ahead and select our collection. So we want to select for men's collection, right? We already created that. If you don't know how to create it, you just simply open up your products right here. I opened them up in another tab right here. And underneath products, you will see you have the collections option right here. And underneath collections, you see you have your men's rings, women's rings, for men, for women. You create these collections by clicking on create a new collection button right here, or create a collection, name that collection, add a description if you want to, and then you can even add a specific like tag right here for your products, right? And whenever a product has that tag, they would automatically placed into that collection. So as you can see, if I go into the women's rings, I added the tag women's rings, and each of these different products has the women rings right here tag, so they're automatically added into the collection. So if you didn't know how to create a collection, that's how you do it, right? So now let's go ahead and select collections, and underneath collections we have for men right here, and we select that, or and or you know over here you can add what type of collection it is, right? You can even say you want rings for that. You can create a collection for that. We're going to click on OK. There you go. We have for men right here. And we also want to create a menu item, for women right here. And we'll just go ahead and click on collection and select for women. There you go. We click on add. We save menu. And here we go. Our menus for the navigation bar is set. We could also go ahead and edit, catalog, and over here we have all our products, and I think we'll leave that. And for the contact, I don't think we need contact, so we'll just remove that. There you go. And then we just simply click on save menu, and our menu has been saved. Now if you come over here, right, and we go into let's say customization, and over here, as you can see, we automatically have more options for our navigation bar, or our header, or navigation, whatever you want to call it. And over here, if you want to add some more details, you could like a logo or something, then you just simply select it right here. As you can see, we click on section, and over here we can add our own section if we want to within the header, or we come over here on the right hand side and we have a bunch of different options. So for logo, we have middle left, right? We added that to the middle left. We can add that to the middle center. There you go. Or you could go with the top left right here like that, or top center if you want to. It depends on you. I think the middle left looks pretty nice, so we're going to leave it at that. And you also have an option for a sticky header, meaning sticky navigation bar. So for this one I chose always reduce size, or you could select always. That way even if you scroll, there's a navigation bar at the top. But if you go with always reduce logo size, if you know scroll down, you can see that it's moving a little bit bigger and smaller as well. Let me select this one. So as you can see, if I go scroll down, as you can see right here, the logo goes small and big. The size is adjustable. And but yeah, it depends on you. Or you could select on scroll. So right now it's not sticky. As you can see, it's unsticky and it just goes up. But if you scroll up, there you go. You have yourself a navigation menu. So it depends on you how you like it. I go with always reduced logo size. That looks good. And we can even show separator line as well. So if I scroll down, you can see a little bit of line there. But if we unselect this, show separator line, now there's no line for the navigation menu. I think I like that much better than before. So we're going to keep that. And we also have our, mobile logo per, position. I'll go with the left as well. And then we have our other settings. But I think it looks good. We can even change the color to different accents. So right here, as you can see, accent 2, background 1, background 2, a little bit darker, but it depends on you. And then you can just simply save it and you are good to go. Now let's go ahead and take a look over here into our live store, and over here it looks pretty good. Now if we have 4 men, 4 women, if I click over here, there we go. We have all the shirts for men, and if I want to go to for women, we have all the clothes that are available for women as well. And if I go to catalog, we have all of the products that I have on my store, page 2, as you can see. Now you could also add, or if you go to for men, you might want to have, rings over here, all the products that are associated to men. For that, what you could do is, if you come back over here, you go into products and collections, right? And you go into men's rings, right? You can see it right here. You can even add another condition right here if you want to, but it depends on you. But if you go back over here, we go to for men. This is the tag that I had for all the clothes. What we could do now is go into here and go into each of these rings, right? And we also add this tag as well right here. Underneath tags, you add men and you just simply select that as well. Now you have 2 tags. Now if you do this with all the products, there you go, it is saved. Now if you do this with all of the products, what would happen is these rings would also find their way over here. So if I reload this, the ring should appear right here. Let me check. There you go. So as you can see, now we even have the other rings for men, and we can slowly add all the products here. So that's how you can add different stuff to the navigation menu and quickly access, main or key parts of your website. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.